let me set the scene for you. It's 6 p.m. Friday night. I don't have to go to work, and tomorrow I get on a flight to go to Italy. I love Italy, by the way. I've been to Rome before. Loved Rome. This time I'm going a little bit further up north, so I'll mainly be in Venice and Bologna, but I'll definitely do some day trips. You know, I love a good day trip. It's the night before, right? Obviously, in good old Taya fashion, I haven't packed yet, so I thought, why not have y'all pack along with me? I'll pretty much show you my packing process because the way I pack, I make sure I can fit enough so that I'm not overpacking, but I'm not underpacking, and then never forget anything. And if I ever forget something, it's because I didn't follow these steps. So I'm taking y'all along with me. Let's get it. I understand it may not be for everyone. It may not be fun. It may feel like more of a chore. So when anything feels like a chore, what you need to do is romanticize it. Make it to where you look forward to doing it, or you actually just don't mind it as much. So while I pack, I am currently watching Gilmore Girls. It's my first time watching it, and I really do like it. I'm obsessed. I'm currently only on season 6, and there's 7 seasons, so I know once I get to the end, I'm gonna cry. Happens every time I watch a good show. The first rule in packing effectively is creating a packing checklist. Every time I don't create a checklist, I forget things. I love a good checklist. As I'm watching, I will be putting my list together. I'll typically either do it in my Notions app or just in my Notes app. I'll show you how I categorize everything and put it together. So I'll typically just start with something like this: clothes, toiletries, electronics, and miscellaneous, and just categorize everything this way. Then when I'm trying to figure out my clothes, I figure out what I'm going to wear by outfit and like what I'm doing. So for example, the day I explore Bologna, I'll know that these are all the things that I'm doing that day and can pick out my outfits as such. Bologna travel day, and then write what I want to wear that day. I also like to look at how the weather is going to be during this time. As you can see, it's not going to be great. So sad. I like to see how the weather is going to be so that I can actually be prepared. So I'll know I need to bring my rain jacket, for example. I will check back in once this is complete. Now I've got a gist of what I need to pack. The main part is really what I'm wearing and just figuring all that out. So I do have like a rough overview of what I need to look for. Now I just need to go through my closet and pull out outfits, put them together. I'm definitely a capsule type packer. I like to mix and match different outfits. Here's what we're looking at in terms of outfits. I've got a like sweater with vest and then some dress pants, another little turtleneck with a skirt, a long sleeve, and a jacket with some jeans, this long sleeve and sweater with jeans. And then I'll just be mixing and matching the outfits, like these and the jeans, these with the jeans, this with the skirt, and then that brown top with the jeans one day. Packing your outfits this way is the best way to get it done so that you're not overpacking, but you also have like options depending on how the weather's gonna be, how you're feeling that day, and whatever may happen. I'm about to add the rest of the things from my packing list to this little pile, and then I'll start rolling it all up and packing it. I pretty much got everything picked out for the most part. I know I'll think of more things as I'm packing. Thankfully, I have a flight where I can bring a carry-on and a personal bag, so I'm able to pack quite a bit more. For example, I'm deciding to bring my makeup, which I typically wouldn't bring if I didn't have the space for it. I might bring an extra pair of shoes, all depending on what all I pack. During your packing process, unless it's the day of, you should charge all of the things you need. I always charge my camera, which I need to plug up now, my portable charger, my Osmo, literally everything that would need to be charged, I charge it just so that I'm straight for the first part of the trip. I'll typically do my toiletries that are already toiletry sized. I'll like restock my hair products or whatever is needed, but I'll typically do my toiletries the morning of because I'll use them that morning when I'm getting ready. So I'm gonna pack pretty much everything I can tonight so that I'm good for the morning. Alright, for the most part, I am packed up and ready to go. Of course, I'm taking y'all with me to Italy, so it should be a fun adventure. Hopefully, I'm able to miss and duck and dodge from some of the rain, but it's definitely going to be a little brisk. So I will see y'all tomorrow.